If you think making money takes months of learning, you're wrong. Because today, I'm showing you 5 powerful skills that you can learn in under 1 hour and start earning the same day. No degree, no experience, just real skills that pay fast. Skill 1. Canva editing and thumbnail making. Time to learn. 30 to 45 minutes. Earning $5 to $20 per thumbnail. Platforms: Fiverr, Upwork, Facebook groups. Canva is one of the easiest skills you can learn in under 1 hour. With ready-made templates, you can create YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, ad designs, and flyers. People pay for fast, clean designs, and beginners make $5 to $20 per thumbnail. Learn the basics, download templates, and start selling on Fiverr or YouTube communities. Skill 2. AI content writing. ChatGPT prompting. Time to learn: 30 minutes. Earning $10 to $50 per article. Platforms: Fiverr, Medium, blogs. You don't need to write like a pro. You just need to know how to give ChatGPT the right prompts. Businesses pay for product descriptions, blog posts, emails, and captions. With good prompting, you can create high-quality content fast. This is one of the easiest skills to start earning with zero experience. Skill 3. TikTok Shorts. Video editing. Time to learn: 1 hour. Earning $10 to $40 per 30-second clip. Platforms: Fiverr, YouTube channels, influencers. Short-form video editing is exploding right now. You can learn CapCut or VN in less than an hour. Modern creators need editors who can add captions, transitions, and sound effects. Even beginners make good money because demand is huge. Focus on learning templates, color grading, and fast cuts. Skill 4. Voiceover using AI tools. Time to learn: 20 to 30 minutes. Earning $5 to $50 per voiceover. Platforms: YouTube channels, Fiverr, TikTok creators. AI voice tools like 11 Labs let you create professional voiceovers instantly. You can offer YouTube narration, TikTok scripts, real voiceovers, and even podcast intros. Customers want clean, fast delivery, and AI makes it super simple to produce high-quality audio in minutes. Skill 5. Selling ready-made digital products. Time to learn: 1 hour. Earning $5 to $100 per product. Platforms: Etsy, Gumroad. This skill is quick to learn and highly profitable. You can create planners, checklists, templates, and guides using Canva. Then upload them to Etsy or Gumroad. It's passive income because you create once and sell again and again. Some sellers make hundreds per week with simple templates. Stop thinking you need months of learning or expensive courses to start earning. These 5 skills can be learned in under an hour, and thousands of people are already making money with them. If you want part 2 or a full tutorial on any skill, drop a comment and make sure to subscribe to SmartDollar Insights for more daily money-making ideas.